a bit careful in the beginning, and then we tried to push more and more, and the last round went really good. I was really excited over the grip in the tires. It was good. When I'm going on Pirelli and it's loose surface, it's always going like sideways and you get insecure, but this tire was, even if it was so loose, it felt like the car was stuck on the road, so it was very safe.
The plans about this rally Talsi, first or second?
So first, of course. But we will see. It's a great battle with good drivers, I remember, from last year. So as long as I'm in the top, it's okay. But we will see after first day.